Hey guys, Dan's Restorations back in with another video for you guys. Today's video I'm going to explain why I was absent for so long, so stay tuned. So before I get started, I want to let you guys know if you want some of the merch that I sell, you can go to templargear.shop. Link will be in the description as well as my affiliate link, and it will be a pinned comment in the comment section. So go check that out if you want shirts, hats, stickers, and lots more stuff coming soon. We have new designs all the time, so go ahead and check that out. And also use code word TOOLS, TOOLS, all caps, and you'll get 5% off your first purchase. Doing all that will help me be able to create better content with you. I'll be able to get better quality tools so that I can do better restorations and get some tools that I don't have that I can do better restorations with. So that'd be very helpful if you guys could do that. Again, pinned comment section, promo code TOOLS for 5% off. So the reason why I stopped making YouTube videos was because I honestly was just tired of it. I was tired of just trying to think of a video to make a couple times a week, once a week. And I was just sick of it, you know? Especially with not getting that many views. But it happens. I've taken breaks before. I think this might have been the longest break I had. I think this one was like 8-9 months or so, maybe even longer. But yeah, it was just difficult, writer's block, so to speak. Yeah, so that was one reason. Another big reason was because I was having a lot of different health issues and I just needed to take care of myself. Ended up having to have surgery and get my gallbladder removed, and then after that happened, like, I couldn't do the keto diet anymore, and I gained pretty much all the weight back that I got off, so that sucked. But I am gonna see a doctor soon who's gonna just figure out what I should do, and we'll go from there. As of right now, I think I plan on making a video once a week. So the next video after this one will be next Monday, and I will do tool restoration. As you guys saw, I'm going to be doing one of those 4 wrenches, so we will see about that. I still gotta start filming that one, so that should be a fun video as well. Love doing those kind of wrenches. I have a pretty decent sized collection. Definitely going to be getting more, but yeah, it was just hard trying to think of a video to make every week. It got to the point where I didn't even want to just sit in my garage, really, because that's where I make all my videos. So I just didn't want to be in there, because then it just brought back, oh, you better make a video, gotta make a video, you're in the garage. So I just avoided the garage as much as I could. I got some tools here and there, but for the most part, I just put the tools in there and then just walked away. I've used a couple of them here and there, but so that's that. I'm back. I know I've said that probably a couple dozen times already, but I am back. I'm more motivated now more than ever to make some videos, so we'll just see how it goes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone.